Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. That it is it is because of the fatal negligence of USA government only I became disabled. So I need to get the civil justice right in front of entire human kingdom, right in front of entire nations only. So I will quickly go through this civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. Victims of abuse, patients, medical, finance aid compensations claims process. In the year of summer 2019 to December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed a lawsuit against at fault and found guilty USA nation for $50,000 trillion. And that is why Domestic Violent Prostitution Department of Federal Reserve Bank, 12 districts of USA, they created the COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves as of February 22, 2021. So the crime count 1 is at fault prostitute COVID-19 plague is Federal Reserve Banks of USA failed in welfare services job and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is the deadliest crime of COVID-19 plague 12 districts of Federal Reserve Banks of USA to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as a mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. So I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want Republic of Prostitute Department of 12 Districts Federal Reserve Banks of USA to pay tax-free $500 billion per district times 12 districts of Federal Reserve Banks will be total of $6,000 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And wild endangered species, domestic violent Republica, prostitute, absolute monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and phases of Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's job. And wild endangered and deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species, for created COVID-19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on my brain nerve cells of I, Vedapriya Prose. So I want wild endangered species, domestic violent leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute, absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second. Damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as a domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman Province Jesuits Organization of USA in 50 states of Wisconsin, state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion times 10 states of Jesuits will be 500, followed by 4 zeros trillion dollars direct deposit to my bank account. And the domestic violent types provided by the fatal negligent 12 district Federal Reserve Banks of USA is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types and assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and chattels and types. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, and yes, and yes, I have to get the civil justice. I have to get the job offer signed off. I have to get the salary. I have to get the rightful national benefits. I have to get the rightful finance aid, right? And I am the native Indian tribe. I am the true owner of USA. I have to get all that rightful that belongs to me, right? And I have to get it right in front of all the humans, entire nations, using ethical, humane standards according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.